Hello, hello. All right, real quick before we get started, I wanted to go over kind of expectation for today and our target. So first things first, your expectation for today, and before I even get started, you guys did a phenomenal job yesterday. By this morning when I checked, I had 25 kiddos who had turned in their Google form. Awesome. And then I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 kids who had done everything in math. That is outstanding. I'm so proud of all of you. So just keep up the great work today. It's going to be almost the exact same thing. We're even using some of the same numbers. So you're going to watch the videos on this Google form. You're going to do a sprint. You're going to do your problem set. You're going to answer a couple of questions, and then you're going to join us for math groups. Easy peasy. Let's talk about our target. All right, here's our target for today. I can use the distributive property to multiply and divide. I will show this by breaking apart my 6 and 7 facts. Okay, there's a couple of words in here that we are going to talk about. Our first word is this right here, distributive. All right, I have a little video right below this video that's going to explain to you what the distributive property is. But for now, what I'm going to call this is, it's kind of like a break apart strategy. Like whenever we decompose, take apart, this is kind of like that. We are going to take apart, kind of like a take apart strategy. And whenever you watch this video, it'll make a little more sense. To multiply and divide. No, this way. Multiply and divide. I will show this by breaking apart my 6 and 7 facts. All right, so that's our target for today. Go ahead and watch the next video and answer some questions, and then keep going.